Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this beautiful polish from Meguiar's.
So adding this polishing step really helps take out any more additional small lines and swirls that you may have gotten on your car. So we see the texture here a little clearer, so a small bit does go a long way. And then once you smooth it out, you can see the very, very fine grit that will be used to give you the nice polished finish. It is barely noticeable to the human hand, but it will definitely make a difference on your car. The best part about this is there is no residue left once you do wipe it away. It does leave a really nice, clear finish that helps give you that shine. Once this is done, it is a perfect step pre-wax. So you can see here on the screen, there is a very distinct line as to where we had worked and where we didn't. We had done the left side and you can see there how clear and reflective the paint is on this side. There are no swirl marks. When you move to the other side, you can see the distinct marks that are still left in the paint.
It only helps keep our car shiny, but that's just my point of view.